I'm Melissa and I'm back for another tutorial for pole silks using my FabPole. I'm excited to show you a different way of entering into your invert. Last time we did a pop-up. This time we're going to be falling back into our invert, creating a different way in a different direction to invert and build some speed in order for you to create some beautiful shapes. So this is how I'm going to show you. We're going to get into our fabrics in a beautiful spot in between our waistline and our upper back. We're going to place our feet close to the pole and we're going to push our body away, creating a nice angle. To change the speed and the feel of it, you can actually raise or lower the knot that's in the fabric. So the lower you have the knot, the more you're actually going to have your body weight, giving you a little bit more momentum and a little bit more speed. If you're wanting a little less, you can actually take that knot up and you won't have quite as much of an angle, but you will have a little bit of a challenge to actually tuck and come up. So find your desired space where you want your fabric to be. We're going to create this nice, beautiful line. I'm going to allow myself to fall in the direction that I want to invert in. So if I want to fall to the left and get my left hip closer to the pole, I'm going to be using my left hand to get close to that pole. I'm going in the right, I'm going to be doing the same thing. So I'm going to allow my hip to touch the pole, and I'm going to use that right hand to hold the pole in order to invert, making sure that I open my knees nice and wide and get a full straddle, making sure the pole is actually closer to my leg and my leg is wrapped around the pole versus really kind of getting my foot snaked in between the fabric and the pole. So I'm going to fall back, tuck and open, tuck, and then come back.